we are here again in just a matter of a few months to launch another online focused series. This time, the U series. What does the U series stand for? The U series stands for unstoppable generation that needs a performance driven device without burning a hole in their pocket. With the U series, we aim to provide you with a vast selection of products in the sub 12,000 price category.
And despite having this immersive and massive screen, this phone can easily fit in your palm. It also has the 89% screen to body ratio to give you the perfect viewing experience. And thanks to the ergonomic of this device, you can easily operate this device by one hand. At the back, it has a 2.5D curved design, which looks more premium and elegant. Nowadays, battery becomes such an important factor before buying a phone. Where others are following, we have the 18-watt fast charging feature, best in segment. With just 10 minutes of charge, you can have 4.5 hours of talk time or 2 hours of social networking, 1.5 hours of YouTube, and you can play 1 hour of PUBG. With this U10, you can have the 5000 mAh massive battery capacity, Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 AI processor, along with the 11 nanometer powerhouse, Adreno 610 GPU, and the Cryo 260 CPU, along with the 2 GHz clock speed. In simple terms, I can say the 10% improvement in power consumption, and also the 2 times better AI performance. And also it has the ultra game mode. Yes, U10 also have all the features of ultra game mode, from sound localization training center, voice changer, gaming countdown, and 4D game vibration, so that you can have the unbelievable performance in gaming in this device. In U10, we have an AI triple rear camera setup with 13 megapixel of main camera, 8 megapixel for wider shots, and 2 megapixel for bokeh effect. This U10 will be available with 2 colors, electric blue, thunder black.
U10 will be available on Amazon.in and Vivo India e-store. Will be available in 3 memory variants. The 332 at an unbelievable price of only rupees 8,990. 364 at 9,990, and 464 at an incredible price of only 10,990.
So hi, my name is Nipun Mare. I'm the Director for Brand Strategy for Vivo India. So the Vivo U10, if you ask me who's the real consumer, I'll say it's the unstoppable youth of today. So see, the U10 has 2 clear advantages: the 5000 mAh massive battery with 18-watt fast charging, the PUBG performance or any other high-end game performance also in these phones is extraordinary. 4D game vibration mode, like many other features. A couple of weeks back, we had promised all our consumers that we will be launching around 6 new smartphones in the next few weeks. So all the products you talked about was part of a larger strategy of launching multiple new products leading up to the festive season. So that's what we've done. Different price segments, different consumer needs, and Vivo has a product for all of them.
All right, Nipun, that'll be all, yeah? Thank you
so much. Thanks. Pleasure.
Bye.